Hi, this is Cheri McGaffin II, and I am so excited to show you this video that's going to show you that when tap water runs through your Kangen water machine, that the Kangen water machine is transforming your tap water into healthy alkaline drinking water and acidic water you use for cleaning without chemicals. And it's actually splitting and disassociating the water molecule, or splitting the water molecule. So first of all, keep this chart in mind. This is the pH chart. Alkalinity, which is this side, is the epitome of health. Acidity is the epitome of sickness. So when I show you the pH of the tap water, you're going to see it's blue because of the lye in the water, L-Y-E, and the Kangen water is going to come out purple. And the drinking water is going to come out purple, and the acidic water is going to come out yellow. And right before we do this live here on camera, let me give you a little preview of what's going to happen. So water, you have H2O, 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. And then when it runs through the machine, it runs over 7 or 8, depending on which machine you have, medical grade titanium plates that are double dipped in medical grade platinum. Medical grade platinum costs about $2,000 for 1 ounce. When it runs over those plates are electrically charged. The hydrogen atom gets broken off. It takes a lot of electricity to do that. And then that hydrogen atom can't sit in the water by itself. It automatically will bond with the other hydrogen atoms. So when it does that, it forms H2, which is now a molecule, 2 hydrogen atoms forming H2, which is the smallest molecule in the universe, diatomic hydrogen. It penetrates your entire body, including your blood-brain barrier. And so this is what you're drinking when you're drinking Kangen water. You're drinking H2 and OH negative, which is a negative ion. So it's full of hydrogen and a negative charge in the water, a negative electrical charge. The acidic side of the water, which we'll show you, is going to be rich in oxygen. It's doing the opposite. This is the drinking water is rich in hydrogen. The acidic water is going to be rich in oxygen, and it's going to be a positive electrical charge, and that's really good for disinfecting or for cleaning naturally without chemicals. Okay, so let's do this. Let's do this live, okay? So, let me get the camera here. Let's go up to my Kangen water machine, the SD501. Here we have the tap water. I'm going to turn on the tap. Tap water is coming out. Okay, I'm going to collect 3 jars here, okay? So the first jar, we're going to collect tap water. That's a good enough sample. Okay, now I'm going to divert the water through the machine. And I have it set on 9.5. I can do 8.5, 9, or 9.5. Okay, so let me slow it down a little bit here. And I'm going to get a good flow here. Divert.
Kangen Water 9.5.
Okay, so here's the top hose. Out of this hose is coming out, so it's running through the machine, it's being electrically charged, the water is splitting. This water coming out of the top hose is 9.5 pH. Now here's the bottom hose. The bottom hose, you'll see here in a second, here comes the water. That's the acidic water, and that's 4.5 pH, because the pH scale has to add up to 14. So you have 9.5 pH, then down here 4.5 pH. So let me get a good sample of the Kangen water coming out the top. So remember, here's the middle jar. I'm going to take the middle one. I'm going to get a little Kangen water sample. That's good enough. Okay, and then here's the bottom. We're going to get a good acidic water sample. Remember, this is drinking water is hydrogen rich. The acidic water is oxygen rich. Okay, that's good. And remember, like I said, the water is running over 7 electrically charged medical grade titanium plates, which are double dipped in medical grade platinum, which costs about $2,000 an ounce. That's why this machine costs $3,980, is because of the precious metals used on the plates. And that's not cheap, and it takes a lot of electricity to disassociate the water molecule. Okay, so I'm going to turn the water off. So when the water runs through the machine, nothing's being added to the water, okay? So first, here's the tap water. This is the first one that we got, remember? The tap. We get some more drops in there. Okay, so let's stir that around. Okay, that, to me, let's get some better lighting, is a blue, okay? The reason why it's blue is because the city will add in lye, L-Y-E, which is 14 on the alkaline scale. I can also add in arsenic to make it quote-unquote alkaline. So there's a difference between good alkaline and bad alkaline. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. But that's why it's blue, okay? And they do that because if the water was acidic, it would ruin the pipes. And so they put the lye in it so it doesn't ruin the pipes, okay? Now this was the drinking water for the Kangen water, which is hydrogen rich and has a negative charge. Whereas the tap water right here, which is blue, has a positive charge. Okay, and here the Kangen water is purple. So remember, the blue, this is blue tap water. It ran through the machine, now it's purple. Nothing's been added to it. Lye has not been added to it. Arsenic has not been added to it. Baking soda has not been added to it. What's happened is the electricity has disassociated the water molecule, and the hydrogen was pulled out of the drinking side. And so this is pH as a byproduct because it has more hydrogen in it. That's what pH means, part hydrogen. Okay, nothing's been added to it. It's because a greater proportion of hydrogen is in the water. And then here is the water that came out of the bottom hose. Okay, that is yellow because this water is acidic. This is oxygen rich and has a positive charge. And as you can see, here's my bottle, strong acidic water, spray bottle, that I collect the different pHs of the acidic water. This is the stronger acidic water, 2.5, while this in the bottle is 4.5. This 4.5 is really good for washing your windows, your mirrors, your stainless steel appliances. Anything you would use Windex, you would use this 4.5 pH water. But I can clean my entire house without chemicals. I can throw out basically all my household cleaners. I don't have to worry about baby Timmy and his baby toys, putting his toys in his mouth with household cleaner chemicals on them, or household cleaner chemicals on my countertops. It's just water that's disinfecting and cleaning my house without chemicals. And this is what a lot of hospitals in Japan use and other places around the world. And this strong acidic water right here can kill MRSA, or does kill MRSA. Not even bleach can kill MRSA. And this strong acidic water here can stop that flesh-eating bacteria. So if you ever get flesh-eating bacteria, you spray this on, and it will stop. Okay, so look at that, you guys. There's the blue tap water, which has lye in it, L-Y-E. It went through the machine, and it produced these two waters. It actually split the water molecule. This is hydrogen-rich. This is oxygen-rich. After a week goes by, this purple water won't be purple anymore. It will go back to being blue because it's living water. Right now, if I put this probe right here, I have a light bulb. See this light bulb connected to this probe? I'm trying to film this one-handed, but it's living water. And but it will turn back to dead water after enough time goes by. And but right now, for the next few days, it's living water. And keep your eye on the light bulbs. I put the probe in here. See the light? So that shows how healthy this water is for your body. So I can drink unlimited amounts of healthy alkalized water, living water, and unlimited amounts of cleaning, disinfecting, acidic water whenever I want. Champions never quit. Never give up. Spread the truth. Let everybody you know, your friends and family, know about this water. It's very, very important that everyone you know that you love and care about knows about this water. Bless their lives. Miracles are happening. Never give up.